Welcome and good morning. Today, we will be presenting about an innovation made from great thinkers from SMK Tari called Smart Drive. My name is Mawada Safia.
My name is Amni Damia.
My name is Adam.
My name is Muhammad Asfa.
My name is Muhammad Danish.
From a rough perspective, this innovation can be seen as just a regular drying rack. But this is no ordinary drying rack, as it has a built-in water sensor to sense when water is pouring down so that it can open up an umbrella, ensuring that the laundry will never get wet. It is controlled by linear actuator and also ESP32. Let's look at some of the users' problems that they face every day in their daily lives. Firstly, users forgot to take down their laundry, making them wet when it's raining. Our Smart Dry ensures to protect the laundry even when it's raining. Secondly, users are overloaded with power with work, making it hard for them to take down the laundry. Our Smart Dry ensures to automatically open up the umbrella when it's raining, making sure that the users can do their work even without worries. And lastly, the users have works outside or far away from home. Glad to know that Smart Dry can be controlled by an app using their phones, ensuring that they can access the Smart Dry even from far away.
Now that you got the idea of what is Smart Dry, let's move on to the objective. One of the objectives is keeping your laundry dry at all times. This will save the user energy from rushing outside, especially when it is raining. Secondly, it will prevent laundry from getting wet or dirty. This will save electricity from rewashing the laundry again. Third is saving users' attention when drying laundry. This will allow users to do other tasks without a worry when they are drying their clothes. Now, let's go on to the main components. There are three different main components, one of them being the ESP32. ESP32 is the microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing the user to control the Smart Dry from afar, whether you're working or shopping. Second is the raindrop sensor. The raindrop sensor will detect water whenever a drop touches the surface. This will then give the signal to ESP32 that it detects a rain. The third component is the linear actuator. The linear actuator are the one who closes and opens the umbrella whenever it receives instruction from the ESP32. Now, let's look at the diagram. On the left side of the diagram, you will see the raindrop sensor. The raindrop sensor is connected to the ESP32. Whenever the raindrop sensor detects water, it will give signal to the ESP32 that it detects water. The ESP will then give instruction to the linear actuator, which is located on the right side of the diagram. This will then tell the actuator to activate itself whenever the raindrop sensor detects water.
Now that we know the diagram circuit which is explained by Danish, I can tell you about the coding for this invention. Coding is really important for this invention because this invention needs coding for it to work. Okay, the ESP32 is programmed to read signals from the rain sensor, control the linear actuator, and connect with Blink I/O, ensuring Smart Dry works automatically and seamlessly. In the coding, there are two marks that shows the condition of the weather. First, the 0. 0 shows to the system that the weather is raining, making the linear actuator pushing the umbrella so that it protects the clothes and laundry from the rain. The second mark is number 1. Number 1 shows that the weather is dry, which means the linear actuator won't go off because it is dry. Okay, before I explain coding in this invention, now I will explain about Blink I/O, an application used to control this innovation. Blink I/O is a powerful IoT platform. IoT is Internet of Things that connects your hardware projects to the cloud. You can control devices like ESP32 from anywhere in the world. For Smart Drive, Blink IO acts as the remote hub, allowing you to control the movement of the linear actuator for the umbrella to work or track system performance right from your smartphone. Blink IO is used so that the user can control the invention from anywhere.
So before we jump to the conclusion, I would like to give you all a look about the smart drive in real life. So these all of the components of the smart drive. First of all, this is a battery of 12 volt, and this is the sensor of the rain, ESP32, relay channel, and linear actuator. So first of all, we have to turn on the switch. As you can see, all the component had light up. So we have to spray a little bit. Okay. As you can see, the linear actuator move forward when the sensor sense a rain, and the sensor series module have a two lights. Okay. If there is no rain, if this have dry, the linear actuator will go reverse for after 10 seconds, and the sensor series module will show one light only. After that, we also can control the linear actuator from far using Blink IO app.
To wrap things up, Smart Dry was designed to solve a simple but common problem, which is laundry getting wet whenever it suddenly rains. By combining automation and IoT, Smart Dry makes drying clothes easier, safer, and stress-free. Looking ahead, we hope to make Smart Dry even stronger with better material such as solar power or a smarter weather integration. So it can not only help households but also a larger communities.